I'm just gonna record a dude taking pictures. Ah, smells like
smells like
not
nature.
smoke. My lungs are happy.
You're no longer happy.
See, you have to like narrate, like it's a
Like talk like I normally do.
yeah. So what kind of forest would this be?
Mr. Kinney looks like a tourist in all my pictures. Like,
He looks like a tour guide, but
tour guide. Hi, my name is Sean Kinney.
We're walking.
Please keep your hands and feet inside the bus at all times.
we like to linger.
Yeah, we're lingerers. Like when we went to that State House building. Like,
Oh God.
we got lost. I don't know if you knew this, but we definitely